a gingham purple ribbon, so I put that on this jigsaw. It's just a wire underneath there, so I think it's prettier to look at a bow. I was missing some hooks for this curtain, so I got some and I'm going to put them up. I took off these old handles. Look how dirty it's underneath, so I'm going to give it a wipe. And also, see that one there? It's bent. The head had actually come away, so I wasn't able to get it out, so I ended up just like pulling it out. Came out rather easy. And they're flathead, and I had the Phillips, so it's a little thing. Oh yeah, this it's like a little key. You can like turn that around, and it's like a Phillips on the other side. Normally I have it on the Phillips, but yeah, I had it on the flat. Yeah, these, I got them for the sitting room, but they're shorter than the ones in the sitting room, so these should fit there. Get same height, you know. I'll actually show you the one in the sitting room. Right, that's the sitting room one, and let's see, hold on. It's a bit shorter. Just do it that way. Yeah, so it is small bit out, but it fits the bedroom okay. Oh, a bit of paint, yeah, that needs a paint. Oh wow, that came right off. Gnarly, man. To think that that was like that underneath. The other side. Actually looks cream, doesn't it, there? I think I get a sugar soap on that. I'll show you when I have it on, the handles. Sorry, cat. Where do cats always go where you want to go? Think of sugar soap in here. Yeah. Before the sugar soap. After the sugar soap. Okay, that looks great. Does anyone else feel like they can't get stuff done when other people are in their house? Like, I'm glad that this is a Phillips screw, because I'm going to get the electric drill, the power drill, and because I want to lift that so I can cover that line. I just kind of screwed it in kind of loosely there because I don't want the door to slam and be caught in here. But yeah, I'm going to do that when no one else in the house, because if I start using that, they'll just like come over and be like, oh, I'll do that for you, and I'll be like, no, I want to do it myself. So save myself the hassle. Yeah, it's gorgeous though, isn't it? Yeah, if you can imagine that line covered up. I just kind of put that in, like I said, don't want it to slam shut. So shiny. I'm going to do a quite good job. I pulled the desk out a bit so that'll rest there. So I'm going to clean it with this. I did give it a wipe with baby wipe, but I had to clean it with the sugar soap as well. I wonder how we get dusty under the lid. It's never up. This is just MDF. So I don't mind painting it. Do you know what, actually, while I'm at it, I might do that magazine rack. You're in me knitting chair. I wanted to sort the books today. She might move when she smells the paint though. I'll show you when it's painted. Oh, I'm gonna swipe up there as well and paint that. I use my teeny tiny key to open it, and it's too late to go downstairs. But then I ended up having to go down for the paintbrush. But look, when I open this, how much is missing? Huh? Do you think they're taking out that much, pouring it into an empty tin out of all of them to make another tin? I don't know. It was €4. This, oh, very square peg, very round hole. I didn't give that much thought, did I? And it's very watery. Right, it'll do. It's just an inside job. Make sure you paint in a well ventilated area. I have the window open. That wood is soaking it up. It's getting your foundation on. Yeah. I'll show you when it's done. I actually like brush strokes, so this is already brush strokey. Would I need to paint that? I mean, like, I'm going to paint it pink anyway, so that's like an undercoat. I actually will, because it's a bit rusty there. Right, carry on. I'll show you when it's all white. Lol. Alright, well, that is the white on. Just wait for that to dry. And see this napkin, that'd be nice decoupage just on the back of it there. I had thought maybe of putting either on the inside, but I might put one there and another one there. That would actually be an ideal spot for a vision board, wouldn't it? So I don't think I'll get the magazine rack done because there's only that much left, and I still need to do the other side of the lid. Yeah. So magazine rack won't get done, but that's okay. I could just spray it. I have some spray paint. I think I'll just concentrate on this for now though. Yeah. And another thing, I covered up the hinge with a bit of masking tape because they're brass and I want to keep them brass. Isn't that right? Little kitty. I have to go to town now. I have to drop off some things to the charity. And I'll see you later. Bye bye. Righty tighty. Lefty loosey. Oh my god, perfect. Right. Oh, leave it that way. Yeah. Right, I'm about to head into the charity shop. Just some things that I've been holding on to there. What's this? I had Declutter. Some things, and I was like, I'll just hold on to them for a week, see how I feel like after. And I think I've had them there for a month. That's like an IKEA chair. I was using that cloth to wipe the chair down, and in the bag is like 3 cushions and some sheets, and just another bag there. Yeah, that basket thing from IKEA. I'd actually like to get rid of anything kind of IKEA. IKEA gives me the ick, alright. But yeah, but if it's like practical, like, I'd obviously like keep it, I think. Like, the chair is practical, but we already have how many chairs? There's 3 in the kitchen, 4 if you include the egg chair, and then we got a chair in each of our bedrooms. So we actually have like 6 like dining chairs, I'd say. Oh no, not 6, 5. Like, I'm not inviting a whole load of people around or anything, so yeah, I may drop this in and also resist the urge to be buying anything, because like that's the curse of going to the charity shop. Oh, I'll just have a look around, then you'll see something you like. So in and out, in and out. I'll still look around though, but I won't buy anything.
I wasn't well on Friday. I actually contacted somebody radio Instagram and TikTok to take it, which I can appreciate. One person within an organization should be able to take the output. It was a survey that was conducted by Airbnb, which said no, I'm right there. I was very sad. Then I was mad. And then I was a bit flagged. Then I turned around to and I was like, oh yeah, this shows that the issue is more exotic than traversing Asia. But the point remains, we need to get more Irish people to visit Leitrim. A place that does exist. I've tried to do the work before. I've got no decent kind of chance of friends to do this work. It's all for free. It's fair time. Why is that in Leitrim? I think that's the question. I need to find have an ice cream or a pint in Carrigan. Shannon today. Some lovely restaurant. Beautiful out there. I've been to Leitrim. Would you know more about it?
Yeah, that's better. I can have a sweet. Right, I went to the shop, got toilet paper, a whole pizza just for me, some treats for the cats and myself, and I got a magazine. Grace O'Malley, Ireland's Pirate Queen. I don't think I need to do an Irish accent. I have an Irish accent. Okay, home. I need to do them hooks. Right, time to deal with this. I have my hooks here. You're gonna do it there now. I don't know if I need that many rings. We'll see. What I did, I was just counting how many was on this side to make sure it's even, and there was 15 there. So I did have to add on like maybe, did I say 7 more? Yeah, so I was missing a few, I think 6 or 7. But there's 15 there now on that side and 15 on that side. I'll just get back up. I may look up how to get these pencil pleats neat. They're a bit studenty. Well, let's hop up here. Let's get up and close personal with this dirty. Oh, blimey, mate. I've been sleeping in here. How often are you meant to clean these things? That is, oh, wow. I think like if I just, it's bad now, but like if I wipe it now and then maybe go around with the duster, I wouldn't have thought of cleaning the curtain poles though. Yeah. Sure, like at least the hooks are off now. Because like I'd be lying back in bed and you'd be like, look at that hanging there. And then sure you get out of the bed and you'd be like, oh, I'm going to go get a coffee. Yeah, so that's that done. One job done. Good. Not a great angle. You can see my double chin. Boop, boop, boop. I'm going to be a bloke and not look up how to do decoupage. I'm going to make it up as I go along. I don't have Mod Podge. So I'm going to use PVA glue, the same thing. And I got this wee dish. Just going to pour it in there. Oh, don't know if I need that much. Got my milk can. There we go. One. Is one enough? That'd be nice in the centre, wouldn't it? See. Yeah, you're meant to get your napkin. I know this, alright, and that's like 3 ply, and you're meant to have it apart. So it comes apart, and you just use the one bit. I'm going to work with this. That's wobbly. Should we do it all the way around? No, I'll just do it on the back, I think. Oh, oh my god. Is it, I think you meant to put like cling film over it, but I don't ever buy cling film. Oh, that's working. And I might go over it again when it's dry with more PVA glue. Isn't it darling? Damn, my pizza's nearly done. could go all the way around on the other side as well. I think I will. I'll show you when I have it done. There you go. Isn't that cool? And I brought it around to just there as well. So, and this isn't dry yet. Excuse me. I think I'll save this. I might make like a little box, like save like what do you call it? Like an apple juice carton, and wrap that around it, and then I'll have some place to like put pens. Although I could put pens in this. I don't need to create and clutter, but feels kind of wasteful not using that. I have seen people putting them on tiles, but I don't need a coaster. I already have a coaster. Could I kind of put them on one side? Yeah, I might do that, because like I don't want to waste like any of it. Yeah, I like this stuff. I like that a lot. And it was white, but it's like coming through the pink. And I will go over that again with like some PVA glue when it's dry. This is taking a while to dry, the undercut though. This is my pizza. It's barbecue sticky jackfruit stuffed crust, and it's delicious. Future me is probably looking at this thinking, oh, I'd love a slice of that now. Anyway, yeah, I'll leave it there and say goodbye, and I'll hopefully see you next week. Bye bye.